Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. When we talk of the culture of an organization, we make a big mistake if we don't account for differences within it. What I'm talking about here is how, across all organizations, there's a pattern which fits the archetypal subcultures of executives, managers, and operators. Executives have a strong financial focus, as they know that with subpar returns to shareholders, investment will dry up and their job and reputation will be in jeopardy. They feel they're in a constant state of war with competitors. They can't trust their subordinates to tell them anything other than what they think he or she wants to hear, and therefore typically adopts the posture of the lone hero, desperately seeking to appear omniscient, in total control, and indispensable. Managers, on the other hand, have in mind an ideal world of elegant machines and processes working in perfect precision and harmony without any human intervention. People are the problem and make mistakes, and therefore should be designed out of the system wherever possible. Solutions must be based on science and available technology. Real work means solving puzzles and overcoming problems. The operator subculture works on the premise that the action of any organization is ultimately the action of people. No matter how carefully engineered the production process is, or how carefully rules and routines are specified, they know they are the ones who have to deal with unpredictable surprises. Murphy is a frequent house guest. If you want to deliver extraordinary results, familiarize yourself with these archetypes and be sure to provide proper resources, training, and support at all levels to get the job done. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.